Imagine being caught in a critical situation where every decision could mean the difference between comfort and crisis. What if I told you that the power to turn the odds in your favor could fit right in your pack? Today, we're diving into the world of essential survival gear, starting with the Go Time Gear Life Tent, a beacon of safety for any outdoor enthusiast or emergency preparedness advocate. This isn't just any gear, it's your lifeline in the harshest of environments, promising warmth, protection, and peace of mind when you need it the most. Stay with us as we unveil gear that not only ensures your survival, but empowers your adventures. Let's embark on this journey together, ensuring you're always prepared, no matter what lies ahead. The Go Time Gear Life Tent is an essential and reliable survival shelter. It comfortably accommodates 2 people and is incredibly resistant to tears, punctures, and extreme weather. Its interior reflects 90% of your body heat, keeping occupants warm in harsh conditions. Its packability is impressive, effortlessly fitting into a small stuff sack. The tent, alongside a loud whistle and a handy paracord, is valuable for camping, hiking, and emergency scenarios. Trust that with Go Time Gear, you're in secure hands. As we focus on preparedness, the Atomic Bear Fire Starter becomes indispensable, ensuring that warmth and cooking capabilities are within easy reach during your wilderness adventures. It includes everything you need to start a fire in the wilderness: a flint and steel spark creator, a tinder for ignition, and a loud emergency whistle, all in a waterproof case. This kit also comes with a paracord rope and a carabiner, which are useful for creating shelters or securing gear. It's designed to be lightweight and easily attached to your backpack. This survival tool is perfect for cooking, staying warm, or signaling for help, making it an essential addition to your outdoor equipment. Transitioning from starting fires to multifunctional readiness, the LC Dolita Survival Kit offers a comprehensive collection of tools, embodying versatility for any unexpected challenge. It includes a high-quality hunting knife, flashlight, multifunctional card, wire saw, and fire starter. The kit also features an emergency blanket that retains 90% of body warmth and is useful for sun or rain protection. With a tactical pen for self-defense and signaling, along with other practical elements, this well-organized portable kit makes an excellent gift for outdoor enthusiasts. It's a trustworthy companion in any adventure or unexpected situation. To keep discomfort at bay in the great outdoors, the FlexTail Rechargeable Tiny Mosquito Repeller steps in as your guard against the pesky intruders, proving that small devices can offer significant relief. It heats up to an effective temperature in just 2 minutes and has dual modes for camping and outdoor settings. Easily clip it onto gear or use its magnetic base for hands-free use. Doubling as a camping light with adjustable brightness, it runs for up to 60 hours. Its built-in 4,800 mAh battery lasts for hours and can also charge other devices. Plus, it's durable and water-resistant, making it great for any outdoor adventure. Remember that repellent pads are sold separately. From repelling pests to addressing utility, the Atomic Bear Pocket Knife emerges as a vital companion for both the trivial tasks and the unforeseen demands of the wild. It features a sharp, durable stainless steel blade that comes ready to use, maintaining its edge through regular use. Equipped with a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker, it's an essential tool for emergencies. Opening and closing the knife is smooth and can be done one-handedly, thanks to the thumb studs and a secure liner lock mechanism. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and a firm grip, making it suitable for all hand sizes. This knife boasts high-quality features like a molded handle for better grip and is available at a great price, with a lifetime warranty, promising durability and satisfaction. As we shift towards hydration and nourishment, the Valtcan Titanium Canteen brings a touch of rugged sophistication to your camping essentials, merging durability with practicality. It's made for rugged outdoor activities like camping and hiking, as well as everyday use. The kit includes a black camouflage carrying case with adjustable straps for easy transport. Ultra lightweight and versatile, it's ideal for cooking, boiling water, and keeping hydrated on the move. It's also dishwasher safe. Remember to clean thoroughly before the first use. The Valtcan Eagle emblem denotes the brand's quality assurance. Remember that the green camo carrier is sold separately. Focusing next on tools that offer more than one use, the EST Gear Camp axe and shovel exemplifies the innovation in modern outdoor gear, serving multiple purposes with a single sturdy design. This 20-in-1 tool acts as a heavy-duty axe and a folding survival shovel, perfect for digging out tires or breaking glass in urgent situations. It's compact and conveniently fits in your vehicle, coming with a storage bag for easy transport during outdoor adventures. Made to endure extreme conditions, it promises a lifetime replacement guarantee. Optional extension handles are sold separately to enhance your tool's reach and leverage. Hydration remains crucial, and the Platypus QuickDraw ensures clean water is always within reach, making it an unwavering ally against the elements. This compact unit easily fits in most pockets, ensuring you have access to clean water wherever you are. It features a wide mouth and handles for easy filling from any water source. The QuickDraw can filter water super fast, at a rate of 3 liters per minute when squeezed and 1.75 liters per minute in a gravity setup. Cleaning is simple, requiring just a shake or a quick backflush. Its hollow fiber filter effectively removes 99.9% of bacteria and protozoa, meeting strict safety standards. The entire system weighs 3.3 ounces, with filter dimensions of 5 by 1.8 inches and a reservoir of 11.5 by 5.5 inches. This product is made in the USA. As we consider the critical element of fire, the Procamptek fire strip roll offers a reliable way to ignite flames, ensuring that you're never left in the cold or dark. Made in North America, it consists of thick, wax-infused paper that is both robust and easy to light, even when oxygen is scarce. You can ignite it using a flint spark, an empty lighter, or traditional matches and lighters. To use, simply tear a small piece, fluff it up to expose the fibers, and light it. It comes packaged in a compact screw-top metal tin, making it convenient for carrying on your camping trips or keeping in your emergency kit. Illuminating our path, the Nebo Luxstream ensures that visibility is never compromised, showcasing the importance of reliable light sources in any situation. Its aluminum housing makes it tough, while a selection of 3 brightness modes, high, medium, and low, tailors to different needs. It's perfect for outdoor use such as camping or hiking, and emergencies due to its waterproof rating and impressive light reach. It features a magnetic base, belt clip, tripod mount, and a lanyard for versatile use. The light is powered by a lithium-ion battery, charging via included USB cable. From light to medical needs, the transition to the Surviveware Comprehensive First Aid Kit emphasizes preparedness for health emergencies, equipping you with a wide array of supplies for peace of mind. Ideal for camping, sports, office use, and vehicular emergencies, it contains top-notch supplies to treat minor wounds, scrapes, and burns. Its case is made from robust, water-resistant 600D polyester, ensuring longevity. The kit is neatly arranged with clear labels for quick, easy access to supplies. The package also includes a bonus mini kit and blanket. For convenience, it's designed with removable straps and a mounting system. This kit is a registered FDA medical device and is FSA/HSA eligible. Lastly, clean drinking water is a cornerstone of survival, and the LifeStraw personal water filter stands as a testament to the importance of having access to safe hydration, regardless of your location. It adeptly eliminates common bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, as well as parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, ensuring you can safely drink from many water sources. It also filters out microplastics and reduces water murkiness. Verified through extensive testing based on standard protocols, the filter is long-lasting, providing up to 4,000 liters of clean water. Plus, each purchase supports a year of clean water for a child in need. The filter materials are free from BPA. And there you have it, folks. We've traversed the terrain of tactical innovation, explored tools that defy the odds, and equipped you with the knowledge to transform any outdoor venture into a tale of triumph. These aren't just gadgets, they are your allies against the unpredictable. Interested in these products? Check the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us today. As always, stay safe, respect nature, and keep discovering new horizons. This is Camping Gear Junkie, signing off. Until our next adventure, take care.